timid. Timid. If someone is timid, that means he or she is shy. My sister was too timid to meet my teacher. Now you say timid. Timid. Instrument. Instrument. An instrument is something that is used to make music. The trumpet is my favorite instrument. Now you say instrument. Instrument. Sway. Sway. When people sway, they slowly move their bodies back and forth. I made the hammock sway by pushing off with my feet. Now you say sway. Sway. Perform. Perform. When people perform, they present something to others. Watch the magician perform his trick. Now you say perform. Perform. Nervous. Nervous. People who are nervous are worried about something that might happen. The boy was nervous when it was his turn to spell a word. Now you say nervous. Nervous. Role. Role. A role is a part played by a person. The boy plays the role of Abe Lincoln in the show. Now you say role. Role. Lively. Lively. When something is lively, that means it's very energetic. We are very lively today. Now you say lively. Lively. Whirl. Whirl. To whirl means to turn quickly in a circle. The dancers whirl around on stage. Now you say whirl. Whirl. Shriek. Shriek. To shriek means to let out a loud, sharp sound. The baby might shriek when he sees the toy. Now you say shriek. Shriek. Applause. Applause. Applause is a clapping of the hands to let performers know they did a good job. I hope my sister can hear our applause. Now you say applause. Applause.